one single interoperable solution and one single ecosystem that connects with any device.
They've cracked a lot of protocols already, data protocols, talking to different devices.
They have been able to deliver for us what we call the last mile. That difficult bit that allows us to combine enterprise technology and digitizing the physical environment.
And the mere fact that they can also take analog information and make it digital, and take information from your SCADA systems and make it digital, obviously gives them an advantage.
And in addition to that, they will also make use of what's already there.
Most of the other platforms out there that you look is a total rip and replace solution, where with IoT, there's no need for that.
Giving a visibility into the complete chain, and that's very important for us and for our customers.